Cody, do we need to take you to the Alcoholics Anonymous place?
No, you can't have my beer. You can't have my beer. Whoa! Okay. I'll get you one.
He likes Coronas.
Get your own beer.
Give me the damn Corona, Joe. I'm gonna get it.
Jesus. Little, there's hush puppies and then there's lush puppies. Jesus.
Did he get the top of it?
Getting into you.
Did he lick it?
You go down the street to the pub.
The puppy pub?
What? What? Hey, listen. You can get your own damn beer. Don't get your own damn beer. This ain't... I know you're bartender. Oh. Oh, boo. Come on. Gee. Oh.
Bubby, don't let him spill it.
Oh.
Don't let him spill it. Jesus, dog.
Listen. You got a habit. That's your problem. A place called a rehab. That's for you. This one's for me. Yeah, I know. You're getting all frustrated over there. Will you settle down? Already? Jesus Christ. Whoa, no. This is my beer. My beer. You have a problem. And that problem's not my problem. This is my beer.
He's licking his chops.
Okay? You go get your own. They're right in the fridge. You know how to do it.
When he looks straight at me, his eyes are green.
Jesus, he's so lazy.
Aww. He's gonna go get his own?
No, boo-boo.
Do it again.
Oh, Steve. Jeez, okay, fine. Here. It's all yours.